Hello, hi, namaskara. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I'll be taking a look at some of the sedans in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. This is the Honda City maroon color. Version is V model, has done 56,000 kilometers. It's 2015 model, single owner, diesel, and asking price is 8,50,000. .360 walk around the vehicle. This is the ID Tech version. I'll just give you a glimpse of the interiors. So this is how the interior looks. I won't go much into details, but you can just take a look of the interiors. Comes with touchscreen, automatic climate control too, steering mounted controls. So that was the Honda City. This is the Swift Dzire. Now it's called the Dzire actually, silver color. It's 2018 model, ZXi Plus automatic, has done 3,864 kilometers, single owner, and asking price is 8.75. You can see there. So since this is ZXi Plus, that means this is the top end variant, comes with alloy wheels. No projector headlamps on this. There is fog lamp here, and let's just take a look at the exteriors. So very famous in compact sedan this car is. There is I think repainting done on this car because I can't see the logos are missing. Actually there should be like Maruti Suzuki logo, so some kind of repainting has been done on this car. And now let's just take a look at the interiors. So you can see this has the keyless entry, and interiors you can see it's dual tone interiors, wooden finish and flat top, flat bottom steering wheel. This does not come with touchscreen but automatic climate control. Seats with adjustable headrest, push button start, and automatic as you can see here. And back seats I'll show you. So this comes with rear AC vents as you can see. This is how the back seat looks. Comes with armrest, the rear AC vent, and this is how the dashboard looks. So that is the Dzire, Swift Dzire, the original one, first generation. This one is pretty big. The next generation was under 4 meters. This comes with custom alloy wheels. You can see black color, has stickering, and let's move on to the back side. Has this door guards too. Back Swift Dzire VDI. So this is diesel. We saw this car before. Next is here Swift. So you can see this has become pretty small. The new one has become smaller compared to the old one. Was pretty actually big, not much, slight bigger. So you can see the information. Now we'll take a look at the information of this car. So which variant is this? Dzire 2010 model, has done 62,000 kilometers, VDI, single owner, asking price is 4,30,000. Let me just show you the interiors, a quick glimpse. Integrated music system, manual AC, no steering mounted controls on this. Has seat covers. Back seats. Comes with armrest. Okay, nice. Has armrest. And yeah, that was the Swift Desire. Next we have the Honda City first generation one. No fog lamps on this. So let's just take a look at the car. Kind of golden color, slight golden silver tint. This is 2006 model ZX, has been 66,000 kilometers, second owner. Asking price is 2,45,000. And you can see this is how the car looks. Steel rims. Let's go around. Wow, it's been maintained really nice. Even swirl marks are missing. Like it's like shining. So this is GXI variant or City ZX. GXI, it's written here. You can see GXI. The spoiler has been added afterwards, not a part of normal car accessory. So here we have the left side of the car. And now let's take a look at the interiors. Oh, this one doesn't come with the normal that you find in all other cars nowadays. This is the older generation pull kind of handle. So interiors, Singleton music system, manual AC, no steering mounted controls on this. This is a manual variant. Beige seats. Let's take a look at the back seat. Even this one comes with armrest. Wow, I didn't know so old cars also used to come with armrest, but yeah, this car came with an armrest. And next, the last car in sedans here, and that's the Honda City. If you want to take up the SUVs, then SUV will be a separate video. Link will be in the description. Then we have the hatchbacks, even that will be a separate video. I hope you have watched that. So let's take a look at the final car for this video. This is the Honda City 2011 model S. Has done 75,000 kilometers, second owner, petrol, and asking price is 4,85,000. So this is the famous IV Tech from Honda. So if you are a enthusiast and want to own a diesel driver's car, then you can buy a Honda City silver color. Now before buying a Honda City, I have actually a video that you need to know about. If you are buying a used Honda City, what and all points you can take a look. So one of the owners of old Honda City had contacted me and he has shared some information about Honda City. So that was a separate video. If you want to take a look at that video, you can. Link will be in the description, or you might be able to find it in the I button. Beige seats, steering mounted controls, integrated music system, manual AC, and back seats. Again, this also has the, what is that called, armrest. So that was all the sedans in the used car market in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh Chatti signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.